Germany's third biggest city, Munich or München in German, has plenty to offer the adventurous traveler. The capital city of the state of Bavaria can trace its roots all the way back to the 12th century when a monastery was established here, and quickly grew into the region's most important place of trade and commerce. Central to this rise was Marienplatz, the large square where traders from across Bavaria would meet to conduct business, and where locals would congregate to shop and watch medieval jousting tournaments. These days, this vast square still draws crowds of people, but for different reasons. They're here for sightseeing or possibly to enjoy a visit to one of Square's trendy cafes and restaurants, or to shop in its unique boutique stores. The points of interest for tourists are plentiful. Here, you'll find both the new and old town halls, the Neues Rathaus and Altes Rathaus, where much of the city's history was written. Both are attractive and worth a visit. Other landmarks include the tall monument to the Virgin Mary, the Mariensaal built in 1638, as well as the elegant Fischbrunnen, a 19th-century fountain with its bronze figures. For a truly memorable experience, why not consider a visit in winter? If so, you'll be rewarded with the chance to see the Marienplatz come alive with a spectacular display of lights and ornaments during the annual Christmas market. Other winter festivals are held here, too, including the ancient, month-long Fasching Carnival. Held each January to February, locals and visitors alike partake in fun dances and events that have been held here for centuries. Visit Marienplatz at any time of year and you'll still have fun. From March through to October you can witness the Neues Rathaus famous Glockenspiel perform its merry dance, its mechanical figures thrilling viewers thrice daily in a performance that has been enjoyed since 1908. This square has been the core of Munich since 1158 when it was used for markets and hosted tournaments. Marienplatz is today famous for the annual Christmas markets. The other attraction here is the town hall that has more than 400 rooms. Another attraction to see here is the tall column of the Virgin Mary that was set up in 1638. Next to it is the Fischbrunnen fountain that has bronze figures from the 19th century. This square is a one-stop shop with several stores, boutiques, and restaurants. Located between the famed Residenz and the Englischer Garden is the Hofgarten, a beautiful garden built at the beginning of the 17th century in the style of an Italian Renaissance garden. The Hofgarten is open to the public from dawn to dusk, and it is the perfect spot for a stroll. Check out the gazebo in the center of the garden, or just admire the beautifully manicured gardens. Many visitors grab some food and enjoy a picnic in the Hofgarten, and there are plenty of benches throughout the area where you can sit, rest and enjoy the view. Munich's English Garden is not only the largest city park in Germany, it covers an area of 910 acres, it's also one of the most beautiful. Naturally arranged groups of trees and plants offer ever-changing vistas, and 9 kilometers of winding streams and an artificial lake complete the impression of a natural landscape. Designed in 1785 as a military garden, the English Garden attracts walkers, joggers, and cyclists to its 78 kilometers of pathways and bridle paths. It's also a pleasant place to sunbathe and picnic, and you can stop for a snack or drink at the Chinesisken Turm, Chinese Tower, a 25-meter tall pagoda.